Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube. Here I share practical tutorials on AI, machine learning and tools that make your tech journey easier. If you love learning step by step with real examples, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. Whenever someone asks me how do I start AI or what should I learn first, I get it. This field looks huge from the outside. So in this video, I am giving you the exact AI roadmap you need. Just a clean step-by-step path you can actually follow from zero knowledge to job-ready skills. So let's get started. The first thing you need is Python. And trust me, you don't have to master everything in it. Just get comfortable with writing simple programs, loops, functions, lists, dictionaries, and later very basic classes. If you dedicate even 1 hour a day, you will get the hang of this in a few weeks. And once Python clicks, the rest of the roadmap becomes much easier. After Python, a little bit of math will help you understand what's going on behind the scenes. I am not talking about heavy formulas or university level calculus. You only need the basics like understanding what a vector is, what a matrix is, what probability means, and how simple statistics work. Just enough to understand why models behave the way they do. This part is not scary. If you have studied math in school, you can handle this. Now comes the real foundation, machine learning. This is where you learn how to make predictions from data. You will understand concepts such as how algorithms learn patterns, how to train them, how to evaluate their performance, and why some models perform better than others. The best way to learn machine learning is through small projects. And honestly, after you complete 2 or 3 machine learning projects, you will start feeling confident. This step usually takes a couple of months, but it's the most rewarding part. Once you are comfortable with machine learning basics, you move into deep learning, which is just a more powerful extension of machine learning. You will learn how neural networks work, how to build them using TensorFlow or PyTorch, and how to train models for tasks such as image recognition or text classification. This is where the modern AI world starts becoming fun because you get to create things that feel intelligent like image classifiers, chatbots, or even mini AI assistant. And now we come to the part that defines AI in 2026, generative AI. This is the heart of modern AI jobs. You will learn how large language models work, how to write good prompts, how to build RAG systems that connect AI to your own data, and how tools like LangChain or Llama Index help you build end-to-end applications. You don't need to understand the deep math behind transformers, just enough to use them effectively. If you want to work in AI today, you simply cannot skip this step. When you start working with real data sets, you will notice something. Most of your time goes into cleaning and preparing data. So you need a little bit of SQL, a bit of API uses, and maybe some exposure to cloud platforms like AWS or Google Cloud. Nothing advanced, just enough to load, clean, and move data around. This system makes you job ready. Now this is where everything comes together. Your projects are what employers look at first. Aim to build at least 4 to 6 good ones. Start simple with things like classification, then move to deep learning, and finally build something with an LLM like a chatbot or a Q&A system using your own data. These projects prove that you are not just watching tutorials, you can actually build things. Once you have projects, present them cleanly. Put everything on GitHub, write short explanations, maybe create a simple portfolio website, and if possible, post short breakdowns of your projects on LinkedIn. You will be surprised how many recruiters discover talent from these posts. Your portfolio is your new CV. After completing this roadmap, you will be ready to apply for roles like AI engineer, machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI analyst, LLM engineer, generative AI developer, and even prompt engineering roles. And the demand for these roles is growing faster than ever. Now, if you're wondering how long all of this takes, here is a simple 6-month plan you can follow. The first 2 months focus on Python and basic math. Month 3, machine learning. Month 4, deep learning. Month 5, generative AI plus projects. Month 6, build your portfolio, and start applying. This is realistic, this is achievable, and thousands of people have followed a roadmap like this to get into AI. If you want me to create a full beginner friendly AI playlist, Python, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, just let me know in the comments. I am happy to make it step by step for you. I hope this roadmap makes your AI journey easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MLTube for more AI and machine learning tutorials.